How to create video with Notebook LM. All right, so your first step would be to sign up or sign into your account. Once you have, go ahead and click on Create Notebook. Now, once you've selected this option, you're going to search the web for either resources or you can drag and drop your files. Now, the files could range from PDFs to images to documents to audio files such as MP4, 3GPs, MDs, doc files, anything that can be uploaded, you can add it. Now, if you have websites you'd like to research or have your notebook focus on, you could paste their links. If you have access to a Google Drive, you could also select that option as well. Or if you have copy text that you would like to research, you could just copy your text instead. So in this case, we're going to be going with websites. So go ahead and click on that option. Now it says here, paste in the website and YouTube URL. So let's say I want a summary of this here as a video. Go ahead and right click, click on share, copy the link of that video, paste the link here on your computer, and then go ahead and click on insert. So now it's going to go ahead and insert this option here. So now once it has, you're going to get a small summary of it. And now if you want a video out of Notebook LM, all you have to do is just go over and click on video overview. Click on this option here, and then you can choose your format. Do you want it as an explainer video that is a structured, comprehensive overview that connects the dots within your sources, or do you want it as a brief, sized overview to help you quickly grasp core ideas? So we could go with just a brief, or we could go with an explainer video. So I've selected the brief, and then you could either have it as a classic or a whiteboard or any of the other alternative AI options. So let's say I want this as an anime. Go ahead and select this and then scroll through and now describe what you want. This is the editing process. So you can go ahead and tell it what you want it to do. So you could tell your AI host what you want. You could just tell it to focus on the core problem of whatever you're trying to fix, and then go ahead and click on generate. And now it's going to go ahead and start generating your video overview. It may take a while, but the video would be given to you, and you could just simply click on it and watch. All right, guys.